Spotting a female psychopath can be challenging because they often exhibit different behaviors and traits compared to their male counterparts. Here's a detailed analysis. Behavioral traits. Superficial charm, exhibits a glib and charming demeanor, often very charismatic and persuasive. Manipulative, skilled at manipulating others for personal gain, often using deceit and cunning strategies. Pathological lying, habitual lying, even about trivial matters, with a confident and convincing manner. Lack of empathy, shows little to no empathy for others, indifferent to the feelings and suffering of others. Shallow emotions, displays a limited range of genuine emotions, often feigning emotions to manipulate others. Interpersonal relationships. Exploitive relationships, uses relationships to exploit others, whether for financial gain, status, or personal satisfaction. Promiscuity, engages in numerous and transient sexual relationships without emotional attachment. Jealous and possessive, often displays extreme jealousy and possessiveness, using it to control partners. Inability to form long-term bonds, struggles to maintain long-term relationships, both romantic and platonic. Cognitive traits. Grandiose self-worth, exhibits an inflated sense of self-worth and superiority over others. Impulsivity, acts on a whim without considering the consequences, often leading to risky or reckless behavior. Irresponsibility, frequently fails to honor obligations or commitments, often blaming others for their failures. Criminal and antisocial behavior. Criminal versatility, engages in a variety of criminal behaviors, often changing tactics and schemes. Antisocial behavior, displays a persistent pattern of behavior that violates social norms and the rights of others. Lack of remorse or guilt, shows no remorse or guilt for their actions, even when they cause harm to others. Emotional and psychological traits. Narcissism, exhibits extreme self-centeredness, expecting special treatment and admiration from others. Aggressiveness, can be verbally or physically aggressive, often in a covert or manipulative manner. Boredom proneness, gets easily bored and constantly seeks new and exciting experiences, often at others' expense. Professional life. Workplace manipulation, manipulates colleagues and superiors, often using charm and deceit to advance. Job hopping, frequently changes jobs or careers, often due to conflicts or unethical behavior being exposed. Undermining others, undermines the efforts of colleagues to appear superior or gain control. Social interactions. Feigns innocence, often plays the victim or feigns innocence to elicit sympathy and manipulate others. Gossip and rumors, spreads gossip and rumors to control social circles and isolate targets. Surface friendships, maintains superficial friendships that serve specific purposes, often discarding people once they're no longer useful. Coping mechanisms. Blames others, rarely takes responsibility for their actions, blaming others for their problems and failures. Rationalization, justifies their harmful behavior with seemingly logical but flawed reasoning. Denial, denies wrongdoing or harmful behavior, even when evidence is presented. Spotting a female psychopath requires careful observation of consistent patterns of behavior across different contexts and over time. It is important to note that while these traits can be indicative, a formal diagnosis should be made by a qualified mental health professional.